Alright, hi you guys. Graphs of nonlinear inequalities. Well, this is pretty simple. It's just like usual, except here, let me go to a blank graph. Let's go blank. Okay, it's pretty simple, except instead of graphing these normal ones, or I'm sorry, less than or equal to 3x plus 2. Okay, so instead of graphing these normal ones where it's just a straight line, you can actually make these your own functions. Okay, all right. Now the key to this is, is when messing around with this stuff, is when you're solving a system of linear inequalities. If you're trying to solve a system, just make sure. Let's go greater than 5x squared. There we go. Okay, make sure you're in the same color. So if you're not in the same color, it's going to be awfully hard to see where you're at. So the parameters of the intersections of this are going to be at these 2 points, but also everything in between the two. And so just looking at this one. So I know in calculus this is going to be really fun to actually solve for what it's going to be, what the area of this function would be. That would be interesting. Yeah, I wonder what it... Alright, that's a whole nother time. Okay, now we have this all set up and everything. Testing points, yes. You can also do conics this way, but you do have to be very careful on how you arrange it. So if you do a circle, x squared plus y squared equals less than 3. Okay, you have to think about where the function's going to shade in. So in this case, it's going to shade on the inside. Whereas if you have something looks like this, x squared minus y squared. Let's put 9 and 3 equals 21. Okay, just taking a look at that one. Okay, that's your normal hyperbola, but if we put some inequalities in there, you can see a whole range of answers can be arrived to. Okay, so just make sure you put in the correct inequalities, you graph it out correctly, and you should be cool. Alright, so this stuff isn't too hard with Desmos. You can actually put in your equal sign to make them solid lines, or you can make it greater than and have the insides of the hyperbolas be that way. That's totally up to you. Now when you're finding the intersections of the two, please understand you are looking for the overlap, and we want to have the same color because it just makes your job a whole lot easier. Okay, so for example, the intersections here, here, and here really kind of help out. Okay, now these are not exact answers, but these will help you get those exact answers you need in trying to solve these, okay? Alright, but that's it for working with linear inequalities or nonlinear inequalities and just working with their graphs. Thank you guys very much and have a great day. Bye.